It's time.
Two massive announcements just dropped from the gaming world. Crimson Desert is officially out, and at the same time, NVIDIA just unveiled DLSS 5. Oh, what's it? I don't think so. And here's why this is a huge deal for AI in gaming. Crimson Desert is an open-world epic with massive, beautifully detailed environments, high-scaled AI for NPCs, and cinematic combat. Hyrule, a land torn apart by war, betrayal, and ancient mysteries. Imagine walking through this world where every shadow, every flicker of sunlight on a sword, and every grain of sand tells a story. This is the world of Crimson Desert. And now, thanks to NVIDIA DLSS 5, AI can rebuild it in ways that feel almost alive. AI drives enemy behavior, environmental interactions, and dynamic storytelling. It's an impressive step forward in open-world design. AI isn't just changing the way we work, it's transforming the way we see the world. NVIDIA just unveiled DLSS 5, a neural network that can rebuild entire game worlds in real time, creating visuals so realistic they almost feel alive. To witness it yourself, all you need is an RTX GPU and the latest drivers. Enable DLSS 5 and let AI reimagine your game before your eyes. DLSS 5 is powered by advanced AI that predicts every pixel of a frame before it's rendered. Imagine a neural model so smart, it can anticipate motion, light, and detail, all in real time. It's not just upscaling, it's AI-generated reality inside your favorite games. Think of it like this: traditional rendering calculates every frame from scratch, which is computationally expensive. DLSS 5's neural network predicts what the frame should look like, filling in details with AI-generated precision. It's like giving the GPU a brain, letting it anticipate motion, reflections, and textures before you even see them. Video AI models have rapidly learned to generate photoreal pixels, but they run offline, are difficult to precisely control, and often lack predictability, with every new prompt generating bespoke content. For games, pixels must be deterministic, delivered in real time, and tightly grounded in the game developer's 3D world and artistic intent. DLSS 5 takes a game's color and motion vectors for each frame as input, and uses an AI model to infuse the scene with photoreal lighting and materials that are anchored to source 3D content and consistent from frame to frame. Runs in real time at up to 4K resolution for smooth, interactive gameplay. And this is just the beginning. DLSS 5 is a slice of the larger AI revolution. Just like GPT-06 can generate text, code, and ideas, AI in graphics is generating worlds, movement, and cinematic experiences on the fly. The future of gaming is neural, predictive, and endlessly creative. Think of it like this: traditional rendering calculates every frame from scratch, which is computationally expensive. DLSS 5's neural network predicts what the frame should look like, filling in details with AI-generated precision. It's like giving the GPU a brain, letting it anticipate motion, reflections, and textures before you even see them. But here's where things get interesting. The internet didn't exactly celebrate DLSS 5 the way NVIDIA probably expected. Across social media, people started calling it Slop. Yeah, that's the term. The criticism: some gamers feel like AI-generated visuals are starting to look too perfect, too clean, almost artificial. Like the image isn't being rendered, it's being guessed. And of course, the internet did what it always does. It turned it into memes.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
People started creating fake DLSS 5 versions of games like Crimson Desert, pushing everything to the extreme. Hyper, sharp textures, glowing lighting, surreal reflections, almost like a parody of AI trying too hard to look real.
Run. Run.
Because here's the thing, DLSS 5 isn't actually fake. It's just doing what all generative AI does. It predicts. It reconstructs. It fills in the gaps. But when that prediction becomes too noticeable, that's when people start calling it AI slop. Here's something most people aren't talking about. Crimson Desert reportedly took around 6 years of development and a budget close to $200 million to build this world. 6 years of artists, engineers, designers, carefully crafting every mountain, every city, every animation. This isn't just graphics, it's human effort translated into a living world. And now, AI enters the picture. Technologies like DLSS-5 suggest a future where visuals like this could be reconstructed, enhanced, or even generated in a fraction of the time. Maybe not 6 years, maybe 1. And that's where the tension begins. Because games aren't like movies. You don't just watch them, you live inside them. When you play a game like Crimson Desert, you feel the weight of the world, the detail, the atmosphere, the imperfections. That's what makes it real.